Hello, welcome to Paper Terrace. Today we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree or any kind of craft shopping in a while. Yeah, I really do most of my craft shopping online these days, and I don't really do a whole lot of it, but I really have been missing it, so we're gonna go see what Dollar Tree has. I'm gonna check out the whole store so it won't just be crafty things. And then look out because soon I will take you to Michael's to see what they've got. So let's head on into the Dollar Tree. Let's take a peek at their Valentine's Day stuff. It's really busy in here, so bear with me if I'm not talking too loud. I love the different socks that they have. That tag is broke. They've got Reese's. All of these are so cute. They would make really cute little baskets. Oh wait, these lip glosses are like pretty cute. Pretty nice looking actually. My daughter would probably love those. They've got makeup brushes. Let's see what they've got over here. Okay, lots of stuff for classrooms. But I'm usually not a fan of these type of toys, and I mean, I know kids love them, so it's whatever, but I feel like it just ends up being kind of like junk that you don't end up using. Maybe more like a activity would be fine. Oh, okay, like the notepads. I guess I can get down on those because, yeah, kids, you could use those as opposed to having a random little plastic toy. Ooh, okay, what are these little tumblers? Oh, I think I have to get one of these for my daughter. Yeah, I should probably get a cart, honestly. We'll hold that. Treat bags. And then all of the different candies. And they do have some Valentine sets. Okay, I'm actually surprised to see fleece blankets and sheets. Wow. I mean, I don't know if they're the best, but if you're in a pinch, that's kind of cool. Pillowcases. Lots of candy though for Valentine's Day. They have Easter stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta tell you guys, I loved my sign that I got for Christmas that I got here. All right, let's take a peek. We are right next to the Stationery, so they are very picked over right now. Writing tablets. I don't think I've seen it this picked over before, so curious what I love. I really love stationery papers, so anything like with the scalloped edges, that's really cute. They have blue and purple, and I do like to-do lists. This could be something that I might want. Might grab one of those. Boy, yeah, I didn't expect it to be so picked over. We still have a craft section, so we've got a couple more places that we might find some fun junk journaling stuff. Not really seeing a whole lot new items. Let me know right now in the comments if there's anything that you're like on the hunt for from Dollar Tree. Ooh, okay, I am actually redoing like my craft room, and I realized that my desk area, like I could probably use some of these for some drawers that I have. I'm gonna hold off. I know there's another section that has these, so I'm gonna hold off and see if I can find some that are a little bit bigger. They do have some cute memo pads, and these are always cute in journals or planners, so those are cute. All right, I'm gonna walk over to like more of the craft area, but I still wanted to give you a peek at all of this kids stuff because it can be fun for junk journaling. And I'm gonna twirl around with you carefully here. They do have a book area too, with like coloring books and things. But it's all very picked over. Wow, even their toy section. I'm starting to wonder if this location's like going out of business. Huh. I've never seen it this picked over. So I doubt we're gonna see anything new, but hey, we're here, so I might as well show you. Yeah, wow. Okay. Stickers. That is crazy. I've never seen these angel foam sheets. They still got some butterflies. They have quite a few different yarns, and I'm curious if they have any laces. We'll see. Sort of a random thing, but if you can find the drawer liners or contact paper, this black and white one has been a favorite of mine, and you can use that in all kinds of different ways for journal covers and things like that, but they're also, it's nice for around the house as well. So I'm just taking a peek to see if there's any better water bottles. But even all of these things are very picked over, so I guess I didn't choose a great location. I was hoping to get some more of these gold wire baskets. Okay, they do have some of these organizers that I was looking for. My daughter actually needs a new water bottle and she loves Stitch, so I was excited to see the Stitch water bottle after everything being really picked over, so I'm definitely going to grab one of those. I don't know how good it's going to be for $1.25. Let's see, it doesn't have like a straw in it. It is just a one of the, you know, I don't know how well that will be for school because I'm wondering if it's going to spill, but actually I'm still gonna grab it for $1.25. She would use this around the house for sure. I was actually on the hunt for some really cute photo frames that I believe were within these items. Although there is another aisle with frames, so I'm going to see. Oh, actually, okay, I found something good. Yes, I was on the hunt for these frames. They're so cute with the little butterflies, and I do feel like these look like they would cost quite a bit more, so I'm gonna grab, I think, a couple of them actually. Last but not least, I'm gonna take a peek down the hair and makeup aisle. These are super cute, the butterfly bobby pins. They have quite a few different like face masks and facial moisturizers and things like that. I wonder why this area isn't picked over. Okay, they have a ton of different makeup. They have some of the Wicked makeup line. They've had this for a little while, but I'm actually surprised to see it in here. That's a really pretty basics kind of palette for eyes. Neutral colors. My daughter is very into makeup, so I'm trying to see if there's anything that she might want. Oh, it would be a great idea actually for Valentine's Day. The liquid blushes are fun. Might grab one of those for her. And then I'm actually always surprised with their nails. I love that they actually have some for little girl sizes. Some little fruit ones, flowers, and hearts. Those are all really cute. And then I think we're getting into some other random toys. This was definitely one of the more random Dollar Tree hauls that I have, but I'm just gonna share what I got with you. Yeah, that store was very picked over, so I'm gonna have to do some more craft shopping to see what else I can find soon. But I had to grab 3 of these because I am definitely going to gift one. I'm going to a baby shower this weekend, and my friend is having a little girl, and I felt like this could just be darling in her room. And then I got 2 of the more gold, like vintage looking ones, and I'm not sure what I'll do with these, but I will say I'm planning to change out the picture. However, that moody picture could be good for something. I ended up getting this Stitch water bottle. Again, it doesn't have a straw, so I don't think it's gonna be spill proof, but for $1.25, honestly, like I love having a lot of water bottles at our house. And so having a Stitch water bottle for $1.25, not bad, but it's probably not gonna be able to work for school. I needed some razors, so that's a great place. Actually, honestly, that's a pretty good deal. I don't mind the inexpensive, cheapy ones. I did get these nails with the fruit on them for my daughter. And then they had some cute little socks. This was a 3-pack for $1.25 for my daughter. I needed an extra brush. We always are losing one, so I figured I would just get one to have by the shower. I did get this notepad. I'm gonna quick open it. The only crafty thing that I really found. I'm really surprised, but let's see. Okay, they're all, oh, that's not, I'm fine with that. I was gonna say, I didn't expect that they were all on one pad, but that makes it easy so I don't lose any. And I did not realize that this one does have days of the week, but this could still be cute in a journal, or just as a pad of paper next to my desk. I got some deodorant. Let's see, my daughter wants to use all the things that I use, and so I enjoy when I can get these things for a good deal. Actually, that smells really good. So there's that. And then I got one random food item, smoked Gouda mac and cheese. That actually sounded really good, and I'm starving right now, so that's probably really why I got it. Well guys, thanks for coming along to the most random Dollar Tree shopping and haul. Hopefully we'll do some crafty shopping soon, and I'll see you later. Bye!